Welcome to this one-level contemporary family home. It sits right opposite the Rainworth State School, one of the very best state schools in Brisbane. The home was originally a bungalow built in 1930. It's been beautifully renovated. The front of the home, the bungalow, still remains as the children's wing, with 3 bedrooms, family bathroom, lounge room. Down the hallway, you'll find the new extension. At the end of the hallway is the master suite, with its built-in wardrobes and large bathroom with a fully equipped bath. This then flows out to your main living area. It's vast. Here you've got a lounge room, dining area, and a central kitchen that overlooks a covered deck, and you can keep your eye on the kids having great fun in the yard. What an opportunity! Not only are you right opposite the Rainworth State School, but your access to everything this lovely suburb of Bardon has to offer. Like the Bardon Shed and Paddington, Toowong Village, it's all here. Don't miss it.